Okay, we're gonna put together a gift box that comes with your starter kits. This one that I'm gonna do is the larger gift box, and it comes with the truffle starter kit. It holds about 9 truffles, but they're actually the same, the small and the large, in terms of how you set them up. So either gift box should set up the same way. So if you start with this piece, the bottom, don't be afraid. I know it looks kind of crazy and complicated. It's really not. So just kind of open things up a little bit. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is fold in these 2 side walls first because they have the flaps that hook together. And then you're gonna fold these 2 side walls over it. And I really like these boxes, even though they're a little complicated, they're actually macaron boxes, so they have the thicker edges, which just looks really nice when you're giving a gift instead of just a simple, flimsy 1-layer paper box. So take the time and the effort to do this. It's really worth it, I promise. So we're gonna fold this side, pre-fold it a little bit to make it easier. And you can see if you just kind of roll it toward you, these are actually gonna go the other way. Roll it toward you, you end up with a side like that. Okay, now here's the tricky part. You have to hold this one while you do the same thing on the other side, but we're gonna pre-fold it first. So pre-fold a little bit here. Get your flaps going back the other way. Okay, now we're gonna fold this one down. Get these flaps around. And then fold this one back where it's supposed to be. Hold it together like that. And then connect these little guys. Just like this. There we go. All right. So then all you have to do is fold out this side, just like that. And you're gonna tuck this little flap under to finish the wall. Just like that. Same thing on this side. Fold and roll it, make it flat up here and tuck that bottom flap under. See? All right, now we're gonna put in our truffles. I've got some milk chocolate pumpkin pie crumble. This is also a fun thing if you are getting your own kit and you want to add in another kind of chocolate and another topping, then you can do a mixed box, which is a lot of fun. All right, there's our 9 truffles. I'm just gonna fold the top and we're gonna slide it on. There we go. That, and then you have your little stretch loop. You put it over one corner, bring it underneath, and put it on the other corner. Put your little card in, and ta-da! It's a beautiful gift box ready for a friend. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.